Now viewers, a tragic incident has come to light from Uttarakhand. At least 7 people have been killed in a stampede incident after a huge crowd gathered at the Mansa Devi temple in Haridwar. Now the stampede occurred at the staircase leading to the temple, and according to Haridwar SSP, the stampede occurred because of the rumor of electric current on the temple road. So this is essentially the rumor that triggered the stampede in this case. Now visuals from the site show the injured being rushed to the nearby hospitals to receive immediate medical treatment. In fact, Garhwal Division Commissioner Vinesh Shankar Pandey confirmed the casualties in this case, which is about 7 as of now, and he also said that he's en route to the location. Now viewers, every year Haridwar sees a massive influx of pilgrims during this holy month of Sawan, which is underway. And today also something similar was witnessed at the Mansa Devi temple.
आज सुबह 9 बजे पुलिस कंट्रोल के माध्यम से हमें सूचना प्राप्त हुई थी कि मनसा देवी मुख्य मार्ग में नीचे करीब भगदड़ में कुछ लोगों के घायल होने की सूचना मिली थी, जिसे तत्काल पुलिस बल द्वारा वहां से जितने भी लोग थे उनको वहां से हॉस्पिटल लाया गया लोगों के सहयोग से, और करीब 35 लोग यहाँ लाए गए थे जीडी हॉस्पिटल में, जिसमें से अभी 6 लोगों की मृत्यु की पुष्टि हुई है। बाकी लोगों को या तो यहाँ इलाज चल रहा है या उन्हें हायर सेंटर भेजा गया है तत्काल। इसके पीछे जो मुख्य कारण अभी तक हमारे जो प्रथम दृष्टया समझ में आया है, वहाँ पर जो मंदिर मार्ग में करीब 100 मीटर नीचे सीढ़ियों के पास में ये करंट लगने की अफवाह को लेके ये भगदड़ हुई थी। अभी इसके कारणों का हम लोग पता लगा रहे हैं।
Now, Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami also tweeted on the situation. He informed that SDRF, local police and other rescue teams, all of them have reached the site and they're currently engaged in relief and rescue operations. He also added that the situation is being closely monitored by all the officials. Currently showing you the visuals of injured being taken to the hospital. Clearly a very tragic incident that has now come to light from Mansa Devi temple in Haridwar. At least 7 people have lost their lives in a stampede. Rescue operations are underway at the site. Now eyewitnesses report that chaos essentially began when people started pushing each other while waiting in queues, which resulted in panic and sudden rush. Now what we're given to understand is that the stampede was caused by a rumor.
हो गया था साहब, सब आदमी को भागा दौड़ी में ना सब आदमी गिर गए थे। चोट आई, हाथ टूट गया, हाथ में पट्टी किया डॉक्टर साहब ने भी। बहुत भीड़ था, काफी भीड़।
Now what we're given to understand that this tragic incident that took place at Mansa Devi temple in Haridwar, it occurred at the staircase which was leading up to the temple, and according to the Haridwar SSP, the stampede occurred because of a rumor which said that electric current was apparently spreading on the temple road, which is what led to people panicking and pushing each other and then eventually leading to a stampede situation. As of now, the death toll stands at 7. Meanwhile, those who have been injured in this incident have been taken to the hospital. Viewers, every year Haridwar sees a massive influx of pilgrims as the month of Sawan is underway, and clearly something similar also unfolded today at the Mansa Devi temple. But certainly it does raise questions about crowd management. We saw something similar happening at Kumbh, then something similar happened in Delhi railway station, then Chinnaswamy Stadium, and now this case. It almost seems like we refuse to learn the lessons about crowd management. Now, Chief Minister of the state, Pushkar Singh Dhami, has also tweeted about the situation, and he said that currently SDRF and local police, they're all engaged in relief and rescue operations at the site, and they're closely monitoring how the situation is developing. Those injured, they have been taken to the hospital and they're being catered to. But what's to be noted at this point is that there was a rumor about electric current on that road that essentially led to people panicking, which led to people pushing each other, and then eventually a stampede-like situation developed at the temple. At present, the death toll stands at 7. At least 7 people have died. That's the news we're covering at this moment. For those who are just joining us, this is the top news that we're covering at this point. A very tragic news coming to light from Uttarakhand, where a stampede took place at Mansa Devi temple, killing about 7 people while injuring many others.